By the grace of God, we could finish 70% work of the Snehalayam Old Age Home. This old age home building is 4,700 square feet. Now we need to work out for dining hall, prayer hall, visitors room, office room, tiles works, electrical, plumbing and painting. We need to make a road to old age home too. We need 24 lakhs rupees for these works. Thanking for your concerns to us and your helping hands to needy and poor. If you help this project, we can start the work in the beginning of the month August 2024. Thank you.